Hello again everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can enable your Chrome material design. Now for those of you who do not know, Google Chrome is introducing its very own material design, which is not official yet, but it will be rolled out in the future updates. Now before I take you to this page, I want you to head on over to your Google Chrome, and to the top right, just beneath the close button, you have these three dots. Click it, go to help, about Google Chrome. This is so that you can check your version. You need to be version 68 point something, the official build, and if not, then Chrome will automatically update you like so, and just give the UAC. Okay, so if you're anything below this version, you will be automatically updated, and if not, the updater will still run and check for your newer build or the current version itself. Now once that is done, I will be showing you how Chrome actually looks. So let's set this all to default, and if you don't wish to watch this, I'll be leaving some timestamps in the description below. And I just remembered we just hit 700 subscribers. We're a family of 700 people now, and I'd like to thank each and every one of you for supporting me throughout this journey, and I hope we reach 1000 by the end of August. So keep helping you guys, and yeah, this is how Chrome actually looks. Now this should be your build for Chrome right now. This should be how it looks, and this thing you see, this graphic you see, that's just a theme. You can apply themes from going to apps and heading on over to the Google Store, and just taking up all the themes you like. Okay, enough of that. Now I'll be leaving this link in the description. This I think it does work offline, but I don't know for sure because I haven't tested it yet. So just test it offline and leave a comment if it worked for you, and we'll all be benefited by that. Now what we need here is material design. That is already up here, so you get this thing highlighted. Head over to this drop down list and you can select anything you want, but I'd recommend touchable for touch screen laptops, and refresh for now, and you can also opt for this thing. So with that done, you can also search for other material stuff. Now before you do anything, I'd also like to say that all these features are experimental, so do know what you're doing and remember what you're doing, because just in case if you screw up, you can go back and change everything to make it look like nothing ever happened. So you can also enable this, the material design, for the rest of the browser's native UI, that is user interface, new notifications, blah 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 blah. We're just typing material, and whatever is under that category comes down here, and all we need to do is relaunch Chrome right now. A similar method works for your Android device as well, but that's a topic for a different video, maybe a follow-up video for this if it gets enough likes or views, you know. And let's just go ahead and relaunch now. This is Starlord, by the way, if you guys do not know. Okay, so there you guys have it, and this is how it's gonna look, and it looks kind of bad, you know, because of the theme and stuff. The theme wasn't made with the material thing in mind, so just use the normal theme, the stock theme, if you want to, and that'll just rock it. And one more thing I want to say, when you resize the window like so, these buttons are still here, but you cannot see them very well, so I'd recommend a white theme. And if you still can see them when then just, it's experimental, so what else can you expect? So the buttons are still there, you can still make them work, but doesn't really appear. So yeah, that was it for the video. Thank you all for the support again, and like if this video helped you. Comment if you still have any difficulties or you have something new to tell us, and subscribe for more such videos, and thank you guys for watching.